And now, dear students, we are going to talk about a new idea called the cubic roots. Definition: the cubic root of x is the number a such that a cubed equals x. The cubic root of x is denoted by cubic root. As you see here, we read it cubic root. 3 here is called the index of x, and no condition on x. X can be positive or it can be negative. Here are examples to make things clearer. The cubic root of 8 is 2, since 2 cubed equals to 8. We write cube root or cubic root of 8 equals 2. The cubic root of 64 is 4, since 4 cubed is equal to 64. So I write cube root or cubic root of 64 equals 4. The cubic root of minus 1000 is minus 10, since minus 10 cubed is equal to minus 1000. So when I multiply minus 10 by minus 10 by minus 10, I'm going to get minus 1000. That's why the negative number under the cubic root is defined, because I can find a number that's when multiplied by itself 3 times stays negative, as you see here, because minus times minus gives me plus, and there is a minus kept alone that will change the answer into a negative number. So a negative number under the cubic root is accepted. Now let's continue to know more about the cubic root. Here are more examples to make things clear to you. I have cubic root of 125 and I have to simplify this. So all what I have to do is to change 125 as a power. And I search for powers that suit the index outside cube or 6 or 9 or any multiple of 3. So 5 cubed is going to be 5. I carry it out from this cubic root as 5 because, as in radicals, I'm dividing this power here by the index here. So I will get 5 to the power 1. Also, if I have cube root of 27, it's cube root of 3 cubed. 3 by 3 is 1, then I will get 3. Similarly, for cube root of 3 for 3, it's cube root of 7 cubed, also 3 by 3 is 7. Now here I have cube root of 24. 24 is decomposed as prime factors into 2 cubed times 3. Now this has a power 3, that one divided by 3 will give me 2 to the power 1. And the answer is 2 times cube root of 3. This 3 is kept inside the cubic root. Similarly, if I have a cube root of 2 to the power 6 times 3, 2 to the power 6 will be carried out as 2 squared, because I can divide 6 by 3, and 3 is kept inside the cubic root, and here there is a multiplication between them. So it is 2 squared, which is 4 cube root of 3. So notice I try to write the power inside this zone here. Now let's continue. This is another example. Cube root of 625 is equal to cube root of 5 cubed times 5. Again, 5 cubed is carried out as 5, and this is kept inside the cubic root. And here cube root of minus 8 is a cube root of minus 2 cubed. I change minus 8 into minus 2 cubed, then I will get definitely minus 2. Here are more examples including symbols, including letters. Cube root of a to the power 9 times b to the power 6. I can split the cubic root as in radicals because I have a multiplication sign in the middle. Cube root of a power 9 is a power 9 divided by 3, which is a power 3, and the cubic root of b power 6 is b power 6 over 3, which is b squared. Similarly, if I have them as fractions, cubic root of a power 18 over b power 6, I can split the cubic root as well. Cubic root of a to the power 18, we divide 18 by 3, we will get a to the power 6. And cubic root of b to the power 6 is b squared by dividing 6 by 3. And by this, we finished the examples about cubic roots.